Up next, we're going to run the quadrant benchmark on both the Droid X and HTC ThunderBolt. See, right now it's testing the CPU performance. As you can see, the Thunderbolt's already into the graphics test, way ahead of the Motorola Droid X. And Motorola is just now getting to the graphics test. Let's see, Thunderbolt showing 1495, which is interesting because when we ran it earlier it was actually about 1800. So there might be some background apps running. So we're going to run it again here. Let's see, Droid X is showing 1423, which is about average. So let's see if the Thunderbolt gets any better result this time around. About halfway through the graphics test. Okay, still at 1490. So there might be something, like I said, running in the background that's using data, because we ran it twice earlier and we were getting right around 1800 on there for the benchmark. Another one we got is NeoCore that measures the actual frame per second count. Okay, came up with 57.7 frames per second. When we ran it earlier, it was showing 59.9 frames per second. When we did a NeoCore on the Motorola Droid X, it was hanging right around 31 to 32 frames per second. So even though for some reason right now a quadrant is giving us pretty close results between the two, we have seen it go as high as 1800, but we can tell you that overall use of the device does feel pretty fast and smooth. As you can see, going through the home screens, there's very little delay at all. Also going into the main menu, everything moves really smoothly. So overall right now, even though it's not a dual-core processor, still at 1 gigahertz Snapdragon, it's the newest generation, so it is a pretty fast device overall. So can't really complain there. Be sure to check out our other videos on the HTC ThunderBolt and our website at phonearena.com.